Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be sharing how I am going to make a fall candle. Now I wanted to do like a scent that was like autumnish, so like, you know, like the spices and stuff like that, but I couldn't find any of them. So the spice that I went for was sticky toffee pudding, which I think is kind of fall like. So anyway, today I'm going to share with you how to make a sticky toffee pudding candle. It's dead easy. I'll show you what you need now and I hope you enjoy. And also, if you realise that I've got this back on my elbow, it's because my elbow is playing up. I'm pretty sure it's from where I've been reading a lot, but we still aren't 100% sure. But anyway, I'm going to show you now what you need to make your sticky toffee pudding candle. Here we go. Let's turn the light on. Here we go. So you'll need a bowl. I've got this Pyrex one, which is a T2, whatever that means. This is the biggest one out of the 3 set. I've got just under half a bag of soy wax flakes. I've got this pot, which is really handy for candles. This is from Hobbycraft. It was £1.10, I believe. This is what I make a lot of my candles in now because it's the perfect shape. I've got grey, orange and purple candle wax, like for the colours, and I'm going to be using the orange, which actually looks yellow, but there we go. But it's orange here, in here. I have got small wax candle holder, like the wicks. This is the one which should work for soy candles better. I'll open it because I'm just thinking, is this going to fit? Which it does. And then I got this from Hobbycraft. Everything's from Hobbycraft, and these are candle food flavours, scents, and today we're going with sticky toffee pudding. So I'll get that one out, and this is sticky toffee pudding scent. You'll also need a microwave or something to heat up your wax, and I've got a stick to hold the wick in place, and that is it. And you'll need a fridge so you can cool it. So I'm going to show you how to make it now. Okay, so the first step is to pour all of your wax, which this is about half a bag, into the mixture, into the bowl even, and melt this in the microwave. It'll probably take about 3 to 5 minutes because it's quite a lot in there. So put that in the microwave now and melt it, and stir it as you go because you want it all to mix evenly. That was 3 minutes. So now take it out, mix it, which is nearly done actually. Just get a tea towel because it's hot. And mix this. I'll show you what it looks like. You can see that it's not fully liquid. It's got the flakes still in the bottom. So it's pretty much done, but not. I'm just going to put it back in for 30 seconds, I think. But I'm going to pour a bit of this, which would be the middle one of the pack, which is meant to be orange. Just a little bit, because I can always add more if I want. It's better to go with little and add more than the other way around. So that's definitely orange. Okay, so I'm going to just put that back in for 30 seconds. I want something to put this on, so let's bring that bag over here. Don't make a mess, everybody. Especially if it's not your own house. And then, oh, and you fell. Put it back on for 30 seconds. There you go, it's perfect now, it's proper melted. So again, we want to shut that, and we want to mix this just to make sure. This is the colour I've gone for. I have just spilt a drop of it, so I'm going to take that off whilst it's wet. Yeah, and the colour's really nice actually. It doesn't look like there's a lot here, so this might not fill my whole candle pot, but never mind, you can do that. I've just been to Hobbycraft, so I'm not going to do any more. Now we're going to put in a few drops of sticky toffee pudding. That smells really nice. Actually, that is amazing. That is really sticky toffee pudding-y. I wish you could smell this because it smells so good. Right, next thing is I've put my wick in my, let me just move you back a bit so you can see what I'm doing. I've put my wick inside of my jar. It kind of needs to be in the middle. And then I've just got the wooden bit across the top. So it stays in place when you put it in the fridge as well, especially. Now you need to, I'm moving this background here so I can pour this in. So I'm just going to take the spoon out again. There's like a black, not a black bit, but something in here. It smells so good, and it does smell full like. I'm right into puddings at the moment, so that'll be why. Then you just pour your wax into the candle holder. Oh God, Melanie, what are you doing? I want that all in there. Okay. You have to move fast because wax dries quick. So obviously be super careful because you do obviously see that it goes everywhere if you don't be careful. So I've even ruined the tea towel. Never mind, it just go in the wash. And then carry on pouring higher than normal, so it just pours down. Like so. Then if you want to clean up around the edges you can. My little handy method cleaner is going to be my best friend. And I'm just going to clean the outside up. Well, it's better probably to do it actually when it's dry, but we'll clean the side up. Right, so this just fell off, but literally you just want to make sure that your wick is in the centre. Put it through the whole of that. Stay in the middle. And then you want to transfer that to the fridge. So mine, you can just tell, is just incy wincy bit too short of wax in it, but it doesn't matter for me, but just add that little bit more wax. So then I put it in the fridge for about an hour and a half. So now that is in the fridge, I'm going to clean up the wax that I spilled. Careful not to do that. If you need supervision, please have supervision. That wax is really hot when it comes out the microwave, and it dries pretty quick on the side, so you can just wipe it away afterwards, but just be careful. And then we'll be back in an hour and a half, or like a couple of seconds for you to see what our candles look like, but it smells amazing. So it's been an hour and a half, maybe a little bit less, and I've just checked, well, I checked the candle a while just before I filmed the video before, and it is now like complete, it's finished, like it's set. So I'll get it out of the fridge now. Now I have to admit, I walked in here, even with it in the fridge, about 20 minutes ago I'd say, and it's my flat smells amazing. It just smells like sticky toffee pudding, and that is, it's quite strong, but it will obviously wear down a little bit, but it is beautiful. So I'll show you in the candle properly anyway now. I would advise that you obviously pour higher up than I did, because obviously it escaped everywhere, which doesn't normally do, but that's my fault. So I'll show you it, and then obviously it's up the sides a little bit, which I wouldn't really like, but that will melt down a bit. But when I start selling these for Christmas and stuff like that, then I'll need to pour it in better. That makes sense. Because see here, it shouldn't be here and here. But yeah, this is the candle. I can now take this off. Yours should be up to here really, but mine isn't because I ran out of wax, but I thought I had more than I did basically. I am going to put it back in the fridge for a little bit. Though it is fully done. It smells amazing. It's quite orange. I'd like it more brown really, but there we go. It smells amazing. You need to cut your wick to 2.5 centimeters above the candle level, so I will just cut it to like there where the stick stays. But yeah, and that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you would make a sticky toffee pudding candle, and please also subscribe. Do you think this is full enough, or should I be trying to find elsewhere different scents to smell more full? Like, it does really smell lovely though. But yeah, and thank you for watching. Bye.